So I've just had a comprehensive hearing test done here at Hearology. I was a little bit nervous before because I've never really had a proper one done before, but a few of my friends and family had mentioned that I was struggling to hear a little bit, and wow, I'm so glad that I did. The equipment here that they have is unbelievable. I was in a soundproof booth and I had some different hearing tests done, and I feel like I really fully understand the results. It was a really thorough hearing test. I was really well looked after from the moment I arrived, and I was made sure that I really understood what was going on, and I feel like I have no more questions to ask. I would absolutely recommend Hearology to my friends and family. The whole experience has been unbelievable.